Alright, so I'm going to start by applying my foundation, and I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation, and this is in Radiant Beige. I'm just going to put that on the back of my hand. I'm going to start blending this all in. Alright, so I just filled in my brows, and now I'm going to prime my eyes with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I haven't filmed a video in so long, so this feels kind of weird to be filming again, but I'm excited to finally start filming again. So I'm just applying this with my finger. You can use a brush to apply this and blend it out, but I find that your finger just warms the product up a little bit and just gives like a really nice base. I'm just going to set that with a cream eyeshadow. I'm going to use this one from Inglot. This is 330 matte eyeshadow. So I think I'm going to use this one for my transition colour. This is 285 from Inglot. I love this one for just like a wash of colour on my eyes or as a transition colour. Adding this to my crease. Look at my palette from Inglot that I put together, and I have like way more eyeshadows now since I've been working there. I started off with like 5 eyeshadows, and now this is like completely full, and I need to get some more palettes because, oh my god, they take up so much room, but they're so good. So I'm putting it directly in my crease, and I'm just blending it up towards my brow a little bit more, just to give it like a blown out look. I don't even know what I'm doing for this look. I know I want to do something with yellow and like orange, so I think I'm going to use this colour right here. So next I'm taking 383. So these are really pigmented. You can just start off with a light hand and just slowly build up the colour, because you do get a lot of colour payoff. I did a really similar look to this yesterday for work, so yeah, I just wanted to film a tutorial. I think I'm going to do it a little bit different. This is 281 eyeshadow. It's like a brick red colour. I'm going to take the Morphe M433 and just like dab my brush in there like the tiniest bit. I'm going to go back in with that previous orange and just kind of go over the edges. It's all about like adding and like layering. Alright, we're going to move on to the yellow. So I'm going to pick up this colour. Sorry, I keep bending down. I have like everything on my bed right now. So this is like a mustardy yellow colour, and this is 616. So yeah, I'm just going to take a little bit of that. So I'm just going to pack that on my lid, just like the center of my lid, and just blending it into the orange. Bring it down. Now I'm taking that really bright yellow, and I'm just going to focus this more on the inner corner area. Okay, so it's time to do my winged liner, and I'm going to use my Inglot 77 Gel Liner. This is the blackest liner that you could ever use. This is the Zoeva 317 winged liner brush. I'm just going to keep it like kind of medium size, not too big. I'm going to start on the outer corner. So I just put the product in the lid and I just like swirl it around with my brush to coat my brush, and then as I'm wiping it off, it's like pressing the brush together so that when I'm using the brush, it's like really super thin and it's really easy to get a nice defined wing. I've just applied some lashes. I think these, I'm pretty sure they're from Modelrock, but I will leave them listed down below. So now I'm just going to apply my concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Let's twist it up. So I'm going to apply this under my eyes. I'm going to bring it kind of up the side of my nose as well. Just a little bit, just to slim the nose. Hopefully the lighting is still alright. I was waiting for my camera to charge, so it's been like almost an hour, but hopefully this is okay. I'm just trying to finish this up quickly now before the sun goes down. I love how the whole look starts to come together after adding concealer. It just like brightens up your whole face. I love it, it's my favourite thing. Alright, so once everything is nice and blended out, I'm going to set my under eyes using my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Just going to go underneath. Alright, I'm going to set everything else, like the rest of my face, with my Australis Fresh and Flawless Pressed Powder. So just like focusing on the outer perimeter. So to contour, I'm going to use my Hoola by Benefit bronzer. Just really push it into your hairline as well. Blush, I'm using one of my favorites. This is Milani Luminoso blush. So I've been thinking about what kind of makeup looks I want to film and just like videos in general that I want to film. I'm using my Inglot Soft Sparkler, and this is number 51. This is such an amazing product. Like, it is so glowy on the skin. It is just so glowy. I love it. So yeah, I was saying I've got a lot of ideas for videos I want to film, not just makeup, like even fashion videos and just things like that. Actually, I want to film, I've been seeing a lot of people doing like the Kim Kardashian makeup look, like the wet look from what she wore to the Met Gala. I just thought that look was stunning and I would love to film, I would love to like recreate that look. So let me know if that is something you would like to see on my channel, and I'll definitely film that. My chin, just everywhere, you know. I'm also going to add a little bit to my brow bone. I love this brush because I can like just use the very tip. Okay, I'm done. Alright, I'm going to finish off my lower lash line really quick. Just taking that first orange shade that I used. And then with that mustard colour and a little bit of the yellow, I'm just going to put it right here and blend it together. So I'm going to coat my lashes with mascara. I'm using this new mascara from Loreal. It's the Lash Paradise. This is waterproof. That explains why it doesn't come off. Oh my god. I hate waterproof mascaras. but I really love this mascara and the brush is really good as well, so I'm going to keep using it for now. Hopefully they have a non-waterproof version, because this mascara is so good. I'm quickly going to line my lips with the Kylie Cosmetics Lip Liner in Exposed. Oh my god, it's getting so dark. And then I'm using my Inglot HD Lip Tint in number 17. This is my favourite. Love this colour. Alright, and lastly, I will spray everything with MAC Fix Plus. Alright, so this is the completed makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Let me just dry my face. So I will list everything that I used in this tutorial down below. But yeah, I think that's everything. I hope you like this makeup look. Let me know what you think. If you would like me to film any more colourful looks, I would be happy to do that. So that's all that I have to say. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!